Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be having a look at the Cosmic WeiLong WRM 2019. So as you all know, the WRM 2019 is my favorite 3x3 of all time, and after I saw people like Martin Ekdahl absolutely spamming TPS on this puzzle, I was really interested to pick one up of my own. I'm super excited to get right into this puzzle, so let's just skip the accessories box because I'm sure a lot of you guys must have seen it from other YouTubers. I'm really digging that new SpeedCubeShop Cosmic logo, I really like it. And now let's just get right into the cube. The epic satisfying plastic wrap. Alright, and here is the cube. It does feel a little bit greasy from the outside, and as you guys can see, it does have very minimal lube. But let's just get right into first turns. Okay, so out of the box it does have a slow and gummy feeling. However, that's to be expected from SpeedCubeShop Cosmic Cubes. They take a while to break in. However, once they're broken in, they turn out to be absolutely fantastic and last a very long time. Yeah, as I'm turning this puzzle, I can feel the loop break in more and more, and this puzzle is getting faster and faster. All in all, for my first impression, this cube feels really nice. However, it is quite slow, so it does need to be broken in. I will do a bunch of solves on this puzzle and get back to you guys with my final thoughts. Hey, so I've had this cube for about a week. I took it to holiday with me and I did a bunch of solves and I'm ready to give my thoughts. I just wanted to start out by saying that after doing around 100 solves on this puzzle, this cube broke in really well. It is by far the best WeiLong WRM 3x3 I've ever used. The turning on it is incredibly smooth, buttery and slightly crispy. All of my algorithms flow just as well as any other speed cube, and the puzzle overall sounds and feels really nice. You can hear it for yourself. Despite the slow start right out of the box, the puzzle, like I had predicted, sped up immensely. The cube is now at the perfect speed for me, which might be too fast for some people. However, I don't overshoot or undershoot on it, which is great. If the speed is not great for you, just add in a little bit of lube and you'll be good to go. The forward corner cutting on this puzzle is well over 45 degrees and it takes very little effort to cut, and as for reverse corner cutting, it's well over a half a piece and once again it takes very little effort to cut. In fact, previously I've mentioned that I've had a few last layer lockups with my previous WRM. However, these minor LL lockups have been almost completely eradicated from the Cosmic version. This cube just seems to flow way too well, and it's definitely the best flowing WRM 2019 I have ever tried. Since it's 2021, no cubes pop or corner twist anymore, and this cube is basically no exception. So all in all, is this cube worth it? I definitely think so. You're basically paying $14 more to pretty much get the best setup for this cube. If it wasn't obvious already, this cube is my new main and I really love it. However, if the price is too much for you, I have a few alternatives. So let's say you really want a pre-set up WRM 2019, but you don't have the money to shell out for a Cosmic version. Then I'd definitely recommend getting the Supernova WRM 2019. The setup won't last nearly as long as the Cosmic version, however, you'll still get a great cube out of it. And if you have a good selection of loops and you're willing to set the cube up on your own, the standard WRM 2019 will be great for you because the WRM responds well to all sorts of loops. But let's say you really want a Cosmic 3x3 and the WRM 2019 is too expensive for you, then I'd suggest going for either the Cosmic RS3M 2020 or the Cosmic WeiLong M. Both of these cubes are great budget cubes that will last you a very long time because in my experience, Cosmic cubes tend to wear off only after a year. So that about wraps up this video about my thoughts on this fantastic cube. A big thank you to SpeedCubeShop as always for sending me this cube for testing, and if you want to buy this cube or any other SpeedCube, be sure to get it at SpeedCubeShop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order as well as a shoutout at the end of my latest video. Thanks a lot for watching this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye. Hey, so before we end off this video, I just wanted to give a couple of quick shoutouts. The first one goes to Solver5k and he's ordered all this stuff using my discount code. I'll put it on screen right now. The second one goes to Cubing by Milind, aka Milind But Cube. This guy's a really big fan of couple but cubes, so I don't know what to say. Anyways, he ordered a bunch of logo stickers. And yep, thank you so much to both of you for using my discount code. Thanks a lot for watching this video once again and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.